If you're active on social media, you've probably come across these viral meme videos all over the internet. The first one is original, while the second is AI generated. However, unlike typical AI video generators, the latter utilizes JST1 3D modeling technology, which integrates animation with real-world physics principles of motion and dynamics.
In this video, I'll show you how to create this viral AI video easily. So let's get started.
First, go to Viggle AI and go to the prompt section. Copy the Lil Yachty stage entrance prompt and join the beta on Discord. You will see a ton of channels where you can generate your videos. Select one and in the prompt box type /animate and hit enter. Then upload an image of a character. I'm going to use a picture of myself. In the motion prompt box, paste the prompt template we copied earlier. Then for the background, select the From Template option, which will keep the default video background. Fine-tune enhances the details on the videos, so always keep it on. Now hit enter and wait about 2 to 3 minutes to generate the video.
A few moments later.
The video is ready. Let's play it from here. You can download the video from here. You can also try out other prompts like this Peter Parker evil dance. There are lots of prompts to explore. If you don't want to use these prompts and use your own video, you can try the mix tool. Type /mix and hit enter. Upload an image. Then upload a video under 30 seconds with a minimum resolution of 720 pixels. As for the background, you can either choose white or green. You cannot keep the default video background. I will choose a green background, because this way I can remove the background easily and replace it with another background. I will keep the fine-tune option on and hit enter.
A few moments later.
Here's the result.
So there you have it. Now you know how to create these viral videos yourself. Like and share if you found this video helpful. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.